I think the first thing is right out of the gate when you become a student here to attend things like SLU Fair, to attend Welcome Week, to go to information meetings, there's tables here all the time trying to look for people to volunteer. All the time in Bush Student Center there's tables looking for people to volunteer with activities.
My transition to SLU was remarkably smooth. SLU provides students with a lot of information, packets of information, and then if there's information you don't have that you need, they provide you with phone numbers so you can call someone or email someone. There's always a way to get the information you need.
My involvement here at SLU has really meant a lot to me. Without all of the different programs I've been involved with, I really wouldn't have become the person that I am today. With becoming involved in all these different student organizations, you really get the opportunity to meet a lot of interesting and new people that you wouldn't ordinarily get the opportunity to meet. In addition to meeting all those great kids, you get the opportunity to gain leadership experience out in the community and actually get a hands-on approach to solving real-world problems.
SLU provides a lot of different opportunities. Well, they provide a lot of information about different organizations and things on campus. They have flyers posted throughout campus, and they also send out emails through the SLU newsletter. So I think as long as you're reading those and reading into the organizations, you can figure out what fits for you. And then also, there's always the way that you can just try and see if it works for you.
I say definitely get involved. Step outside your comfort zone. You're new. You didn't have the living experience on the first, through the first year experience programs. But we have over 150 student organizations on this campus that are open to everyone.
For me, it's I guess really finding my niche on campus, feeling at home when I have time in between classes or when I just want to hang out. I have people that I can hang around. It gives me something to do, and it gives me, I guess, a feeling of belonging at campus.
All of these groups can really help you develop into a better student and a better person overall. In addition to those personal characteristics, they're also a great way to make friends and meet a lot of new people on campus. So just don't be afraid, jump in head first, and just really experience SLU for all that it really has to offer.
Take the time to get involved. Take the time to seek out what the campus has to offer. You could take classes, and there's a lot of great faculty here, but what makes your experience unique at St. Louis U is just the amount of things that you can become involved in. And there's always something going on campus. So just take a minute and seek it out.
I am Mandy Mason.
My name is Mark Senda.
I am Brian Hackworth Jr.
I'm Chris Graybaugh.
I am Kimmy Weiser.
I am a Billiken.
I am a Billiken.
I'm a Billiken.
I am a Billiken.
I am a Billiken.